All right, y'all ready for another episode of Cooking with Ken? See if I can get that zip.
Stop. Voice crack. Please delete that.
I'll kill him. All right, we're doing a barbecue meatloaf today. I'm gonna show y'all my ingredients. I got 2 pounds of breakfast sausage, 4.5 pounds of hamburger. These are my spice rubs I just found out in the store. It's badass. Little garlic, SPG, Worcestershire. I got a
it's Worcestershire. Worcestershire.
little over a cup and a half of breadcrumbs, 4 eggs, garlic, half an onion chopped up, and when I get all this shit mixed up, there's milk. Calls for half a cup of milk. So let's get busy. Now when you get done, it should look something like that. We're going to transfer it over here to this little basket, and I learned the hard way. You got to spray that bitch down with Pam or that shit will stick after you get done cooking. Come on back. Sure, why not? Now I'm just forming it around, making a little loaf, trying to get it even, fairly even. Trying to keep it off the sides best that I can. It's not going to stay off the sides. But basically, that shit I feel. Just kind of wanted to look like that. Just all right. Now I went on with that right there on the top. See if that gives a little texture. Now I got my grill heated up. Time to set this bad boy on here. Gonna be using hickory wood because I like the flavor of hickory wood. Put that down in there. Get it smoky. Come on back.